Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya Net Foodish Ordar mapi Nginwan ramangi Hakerdob ying jongpi
Sorkar Jylla lawat Jingtip ya ke Jingjia Alive Again Foundation Rehabilitation Center kemudian haga Jylla Assam le penyat duba arup pasa hadim ba arngu ki kena ki belit sya sumar haga ni jaka kila khlat no na kani kesla perthai kani ke Jingjia kila penmi ke jingya keno mar kelyang ba ketma ketin hapdeng ba arup pasa ba kemi gelaya users forum haga jingya keren bekilat pathai kubor ba polling do ubulong menteri berno aiktin jong Sorkar Jylla hak artrik uno pra arajar pausau uliat thu ba Sorkar Jylla klabetha ya ke deputy commissioner jong East Khasi Hills district bantho shiki bor Sinsha district jong Jylla Assam banyo ek Jingtip ko bania halo kan ek Jingjia hak jok por ba polling do ula pentip ba katna social welfare kan sa shong ek jingalang perkhat kam hak ni gisngi banya thira taisan ni halo kan ek Jingjia
seeking a report from the concerned department in Assam. So in the next couple of hours, I'll be doing a review of this specific incident. See, in the earlier case where there was reported ill treatment in Mizoram, we had intervened. This time around also we had written, our principal secretary has spoken to the authorities in Assam, and I'm taking a review in the next couple of hours from now. We will be increasing the number. We are working on the proposal to have at least an additional 20 more centers by 2025. I'll give you the exact picture of what is happening. A lot of these institutes, like church-based centers, we have been able to fund them either partially or fully. So it's not that we have left them to tackle the issue on their own. We are also funding 9 centers owned and run by private institutions. So, but certainly the situation needs further improvement, and we will add at least 15 to 20 more centers by 2025.